Are you looking for the best folding utility knife? In this video, we will break down the top 5 best folding utility knives on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Goldblatt G08283 Utility Blades. These blades are crafted from durable SK2M steel, making them longer lasting than other blades. They feature precision double-honed edges that stay sharp for a long time, regardless of what you're cutting through. This dispenser is very easy to use and safe for your fingers. You can remove a single blade or 5 blades at once, allowing for more versatility. There's even a blade indicator that makes it easy to tell how many blades are left so you know to order more before you run out. Because of the high quality of these blades and the included dispenser, this 100 blade pack is more expensive. At number 2. Workpro Utility Knife Blades. This dispenser comes with 100 durable SK5 steel blades. You'll never run out, and the blades are exceptionally sharp for cutting through leather, linoleum, rope, and more. You can install the dispenser on your wall workbench with the plastic housing, and it's easy to grab a blade when you need one. Workpro's utility blade dispenser is a useful addition to your home or professional shop. If you go through a lot of blades, this 100 pack is economical and will make many daily tasks easier. Of course, this might be too big a package for the average casual user. At number 3. OCM Utility Knife Blades. OCM is a good supplier of tools for many DIY applications. These OCM utility knife blades are made of high-carbon spring steel and have a hardness rating of RC65 and are the perfect general-purpose blades for cutting paper, cardboard, plastic sheeting, vinyl, rope, and drywall, wood. The convenient and compact dispenser keeps blades organized and protected until you need them. The standard-duty, universal replacement blades fit most utility razor knives and box cutters, so you can always have a sharp, new cutting edge when needed. The main features of the blades fit most standard utility knives and box cutter handles, gives a knife the ability to cut through practically anything, compact and convenient storage holder. At number 4. Stanley Utility Knife Replacement Blades. If you know Stanley, you know you can trust them with just about anything. From power tools to utility knives, they know their way around a shop. This is why we like their heavy-duty utility knife replacement blades. The blades are heavy-duty and come with a limited lifetime warranty, too. For standard utility knives, Stanley's heavy-duty replacement blades are a great choice. Whether you need 10 or 400 for a Stanley brand knife, you'll find exceptional quality and cutting power. At number 5. LENOX Utility Knife Blades. The LENOX utility knife blades have a unique appearance that sets them apart. It's not their looks that make them special, though. The first thing you'll notice is the bright gold cutting edge of these blades. That's a high-speed steel edge with a titanium coating that's meant to keep it sharp for a longer time than other blades, and in our experience, it's quite effective. These blades feature bimetal construction that's shatter-proof, eliminating the most common type of blade break. You'll also notice that there are 4 notches on the top of these blades, rather than the standard 2. This lets you mount it deeper or more extended in your knife, providing more versatility in its use.